ILoveIMG. I was looking for a way to turn my screenshots into YouTube-sized thumbnails quickly and easily, and I think I found the perfect solution. Check out this website. Let's check it out. We got an image compressor, image resizer, image cropper, convert to and from JPEG, photo editor, image upscaler, background removal, watermarks, meme generator, and a few more options. Today you'll be using the image resizer to convert my screenshots to YouTube thumbnails. This would usually be a pain to do because I have to convert 53 images. But this site allows you to do 30 images at once. So next we need to type in the image size that we want, and unclick Maintain Aspect Ratio, and we should be good to go. Let's hit the Convert button. Next, all our images that we need to convert will be uploaded. Now it will begin resizing all of your images. Success! Now all I have to do is download my newly sized YouTube thumbnails. Perfect! Now let's click on our downloaded zip file, click Extract, and check out my new thumbnails. They should all be the same size and ready for use as YouTube thumbnails. So thanks for watching. If you want to easily turn your screenshots into YouTube thumbnails, then I highly recommend this website. It worked great for me and it saved me a lot of time on my YouTube projects.